Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making IHOP-style spinach and mushroom omelette. So for details, let's get started and continue watching my video. So for stuffing, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of cheese of your choice, salt and pepper a pinch or to taste. Mushrooms, I have like 5-6 mushrooms. I cut them in small slices, and then I have 2 tablespoons or maybe 1 tablespoon of spring onion, and then a handful of spinach. I'm melting the butter in the pan. Once it's all melted, I will be adding some spring onion. And then add mushroom, all of them, because they're gonna shrink. Cook them for a while. When you see that they're reducing in the size, you will add spinach, salt, pepper, and cheese, and then mix it all up. Not a lot. See the cheese is melting. I like that. Spinach, it reduced the size, and now I'm gonna be adding about 1/4 cup of milk and give it a stir. Cook for another maybe 30 seconds. Or until the milk is almost done. It's almost done, and I will be taking it out in the bowl. Here I have egg yolk and egg whites. I'm going to be beating them separately, and because I want to make it fluffier, I have to beat them separately. With yolks you don't have to work very hard, but with whites you have to whisk them until they are like foamy consistency. So I'm going to meet you back when they are at the consistency I would love them to. Once you reach here, it's like foamy consistency. It's not soft, it's not hard. Then I will be mixing the yolk in it. This is how it should look, foamy, thick. At low flame, I will be melting the butter. Be cooked on a low flame. I will add a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, not too much, and some black pepper. Not too much, a little bit. And then mix it. let it spread and then cover it. Now it's all cooked, so we'll be adding the mushroom and spinach filling or stuffing or whatever you want to call it in the middle. Cheese. Cover it. Now try to fold it in the middle. It doesn't have to be in the middle. You can fold it in the side. It's not white, which is also not a problem. I'm going to dish it out on the plate and show you how it looks. That's the final look. I'm going to garnish it with some tomatoes and parsley. You can add spring onions, whatever you want to add, and we are ready to eat it.